Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel MHT Makeup and Health Tips. 10 Proven Health Benefits of Dates. Today, we are diving deep into the wonderful world of dates, also known as khajoor. These little fruits pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition, especially during the colder months. Join us as we explore why dates are a must-have in your diet, uncovering their amazing health benefits and delicious ways to incorporate them into your daily routine. Get ready to boost your winter wellness with the incredible goodness of dates. Rich in nutrients. Dates contain essential vitamins and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, niacin, vitamin B3, calcium, iron, and vitamin K. These nutrients are critical for maintaining overall health, supporting immune function, and fighting seasonal diseases. Boosts energy. Dates are a concentrated source of natural sugars, especially glucose and fructose, which provide an instant boost of energy. During winters, when the body may need extra energy to fight the cold temperatures and stay warm, dates can serve as a convenient and nutritious snack. Warming properties. In traditional medicinal systems like Ayurveda, dates are considered to have warming properties, which can help keep the body warm during cold weather. This can be especially beneficial in regions with harsh winters where maintaining body temperature is important for health. Boosts immunity. Dates contain various antioxidants like flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body and strengthen the immune system. Thus, regular consumption of dates in winter can provide additional protection against seasonal diseases like cold and flu. Bone health. Dates are a good source of calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Adequate intake of these minerals is important, especially during the winter when outdoor activities may be limited, reducing sunlight exposure and vitamin D synthesis. Support brain function. Dates are high in vitamin B6, which is beneficial for mental health and cognitive function. It helps synthesize neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood and behavior. Thus, adding dates to the diet can contribute to overall mental well-being. Promotes heart health. Dates can benefit you if you have heart-related problems. They contain all the heart-healthy nutrients and also help lower blood pressure. Many studies have shown that certain dates lower triglyceride levels. High levels of triglycerides in the blood can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. Good for the skin. Dates are full of all the healthy vitamins that make the skin glow. It contains vitamins A, C and D, which are great for the skin and make you glow like a diva. Vitamin C is the best proven vitamin for the skin. Apart from this, dry fruits also have anti-aging properties and help in making the skin more healthy and wrinkle-free. Beneficial for hair. Many people do not know this, but dates are the best food for hair. It is loaded with iron, which promotes proper blood circulation to the scalp and hair. It also strengthens the hair follicles and gives shine to dull hair. 2 to 3 dates per day can be good enough for healthy and shiny hair. Weight management. Dates contain fiber that eases digestion and speeds up metabolism in the body. It automatically helps control weight and flush out toxins from the body. Remember, adding dates to your diet isn't just about nutrition, it's about embracing a centuries-old tradition of health and vitality. So, the next time you're looking for a healthy snack or a natural energy boost, reach for some delicious dates. Your body will thank you for it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy, happy life. Until next time, stay well and enjoy the sweetness of life.